Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this Volvo XC60 today, 2020 model. Here you can see we have activated its full screen CarPlay via module unit. So we have installed a module box back of this glove box. Plus with this module box you can see we have like a touch screen and the full screen CarPlay. So first of all, it's completely wireless. Here is my iPhone. So without any wired connection it is working. We have phone, music, Apple app maps. So here you can see the Apple original maps working on the full screen. We have messages now playing, home menu, main menu, you can say podcast, audiobooks, calendar. We have then easy park, Google Maps we have here, so you can use Google Maps as well. As all the CarPlay functions are working here. We have parking apps, we have CarPlay, this is the Swedish radio, we have all the channels, everything is working. We have Teams, we have Uber apps, we have Waze. If you are using Waze, you can connect your mobile phone using Waze. So here you can see, so everything is like connected from here. So then we have like WhatsApp, Zoom, so you can attend meetings as well. So here you can see this is the half screen of menu of the CarPlay. Plus on the home menu, if you tap here, you can see we have home menu to access the Volvo original menu. If you tap here for the 3 seconds, it shifts from the original menu to the Apple CarPlay. We have Android Auto and iOS both wireless. Plus we can attach front camera and back camera as well with the car. So here you can see we have lots of settings and adjustments. So here you can see we have Wi-Fi, we have UI settings, we have language settings, we have lots of other settings for CarPlay and Android Auto. So first of all, we have the camera as well. So the factory camera is installed with this, but if your car has no camera installed, so you can connect a aftermarket camera as well. So if the car is not equipped with the factory cameras, you can install with this module. So it's a plus CarPlay or backup camera or front camera as well. Right, front view mirror, because it's not connected, so it will show like nothing, only black screen, no video signal. But you can see, so here is the iOS or iPhone is connected like this. So all working with the steering wheel buttons, everything is accessible from here and from the steering wheel buttons as well. So you can use it with the touch screen or with the volume buttons. Everything is working, canvas systems working. So if you have any questions, queries, or any questions, so you can ask me in the description below, or you can contact us via our mail address. Our mail address is sale@teretechnique.se. I will provide all the contact information in the description below. So that's the video for today. If you have any car like this, so you can contact us. Thank you.